Protect your ride. Elevate your style. At JRS Auto Detailing, our professionals begin with meticulous surface prep because perfection starts from the base. We apply high-quality paint protection film to guard your vehicle from scratches, road debris, and daily wear. Every film is hand-trimmed to fit your vehicle flawlessly. No visible edges, just seamless protection. We use heat sealing technology to ensure a tight, durable bond that won't lift or peel over time. The team of professionals make sure your automobile appears showroom fresh. Affordable. Durable. Worth it. Protect your car's beauty with premium PPFs. Ready to protect your paint? Book your PPF service today at JRS Auto Detailing.